Want to be notified whenever one of your favorite creators posts on TikTok? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable post notifications for specific users on TikTok. Now let's get started. To get notified when your favorite creator posts on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to their profile, either by tapping their username or profile icon or by searching for their page. On their profile, tap the bell icon in the top right corner. Here you can turn on notifications for posts and live streams. Under Posts, tap All to be notified each time this user shares a new post on TikTok. Repeat these steps to turn on post notifications for each of your favorite creators so you never miss their new content. Be sure to follow us on TikTok at TechLifeUnity and turn on our post notifications so you can stay up to date with our latest tech tutorials. That's all it takes to get notified when your favorite creators post on TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.